In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note Zoho books. A credit note is a document you issue to reduce or reverse a customer's charge. Maybe an item was returned, overbilled, or a discount needs to be applied after invoicing. I'll walk you through creating one from start to finish so you can keep your books accurate and your customer records clean. First, sign in to your Zoho Books account and head to the left-hand navigation panel. Open the Sales section. This is your hub for customer-related transactions like invoices, payments, and, of course, credit notes. Going here ensures the credit is tied to your sales workflow and customer history. Within Sales, choose Credit Notes. This view shows all existing credits, their status, and amounts, which is helpful for quick context before you add a new one. If you're double-checking whether a credit already exists for a customer, this is where you'll see it. Next, create a new credit by selecting the New option. This opens a fresh credit note form. Think of this as the canvas where you specify who the credit is for, why it's being issued, and what items or amounts are affected. Zoho Books will usually generate a credit note number automatically based on your organization's settings. Start by selecting the customer name. Use the drop-down to find the correct customer from your list. Choosing the right customer matters because the credit will appear in their account and can be applied against their current or future invoices. When you select the customer, related details such as currency and tax preferences typically fill in automatically. Enter the credit note date. This should reflect when you're officially issuing the credit. The date influences reporting periods, so make sure it aligns with your accounting timeline or return date, depending on your internal policy. Now, select the item you're crediting. Pick the relevant product or service from your item list. Confirm the quantity, rate, and any applicable tax match what needs to be reversed or adjusted. If the credit relates to a specific line on a prior invoice, mirror those details so the amounts align. You can also add a short description that clarifies the reason. This helps anyone reviewing the account later understand the context. When everything looks good, choose Save as Open. Saving as open makes the credit note active and available to use against invoices when you're ready. You can still review the document after saving and make corrections if needed, but marking it open signals that the credit is finalized on your books. And that's it. You've created a credit note in Zoho Books, captured the right customer, the proper date, and the exact item details, and saved it in an actionable status for your accounting workflow.